I don't think we should send humans to Mars. At least, not if we want to know whether there's life on Mars. Modern day Mars might be dry and dusty, but the features that we see on its surface leave clues for us for how it looked very different in the past. So much so that we now think that Mars once had liquid water on its surface, flowing along rivers, carving out canyons and meeting oceans at big river deltas. But over time, the sun has bombarded Mars with radiation, which has slowly stripped away its atmosphere so much that the water evaporated and was lost to space. All that's been left behind is a bit of ice left at Mars's poles. Now on Earth at least, where we find water, we find life. So the question for us scientists has always been, is there life on Mars? Or perhaps more likely, was there life on Mars in the past, back when it had a cosy atmosphere and water on its surface? And if there was, or is, life on Mars, then we should be able to find evidence of that in Martian rocks, either as fossilised or living bacteria. Because, not to break any hearts or anything, but it's likely that any Martian life we do find is going to be tiny microbes and not little green men. But if we send humans there, with all of the waste that we naturally generate and with all of the bacteria that lives in our skin and in our gut, and then after that we find some evidence that could point to life on Mars, how do we know that what we've found hasn't come from human activity on Mars? And then we can't even ask the coolest question of them all, which would be, is Martian life similar to Earth life, or is it completely different? Did it evolve from the same bacterial ancestor, or did it evolve completely independently? All of these questions tie into our understanding of life in the universe as a whole, and whether we truly are alone, or whether the universe is actually teeming with life. Personally, I'd rather answer those questions rather than spend billions of dollars to send humans to Mars just to plant the flag because it's there. And so that's why